Hello, Chantel. You are doing well.
Daddy, why are you calling me now? What do you want?
Chantel, let me tell you. I want you to lock me up in your cell.
What a catastrophe!
You that your money are finished. What do you want? You want to lock me in cell?
Chantel, my money finished.
You don't have money now. Look at what your mates are buying. You have finished all your money on freakies. I beg, leave me, Joe.
Are you trying to say I fell off?
What a catastrophe!
Ha! You can't say me. He's daddy of Nigeria. Probaba. Probaba. Thank you. You are doing well.
Good to see you.
Oh yeah, let's see. I need help.
Why would you need my help? You're a father figure in the community.
As a father figure in society, I also need money. All the freakies have finished my money. And you know the way the situation of things are. So I need a side hustle. I need to be making money so that I can be satisfying the freakies and continue to be a good father figure to all the ladies in town. See, let me tell you, I am ready to start with Octa.
Really? That's interesting.
Yes, now.
Do you have the Octa app?
Are you joking? I've downloaded the app already now. But guess what? I don't know a lot of things there. I'm seeing big grammar, my head want to blow. Which one is spread? Which one is leverage?
It's easy to understand now.
Okay.
Spread in trading simply means the difference between the ask price and the bid price of a currency pair.
Ask price and bid price. What of this leverage? I don't understand.
Leverage?
Yes.
Leverage is just like borrowing money from your broker to amplify your trade.
Okay.
For example, you have a leverage of 1:100.
Okay.
That's to say every $1 you invest,
Yes.
you hold a position or you control a position worth $100 in the market.
Probaba. Now, Baba, you be true. As a matter of fact, I think I'm ready to go.
Okay, Daddy, what do you know about candlestick?
I don't know. Which one is candlestick?
Okay, let me show you.
Okay.
The candlestick is used to measure your entry and exit of your trade in the market.
Okay.
Like you can see the body. The body is the range which price has gone, and
Okay.
this is a wick that shows the highest price I've reached and the lowest price I've reached. So the candlesticks helps you to ascertain when you can buy and sell. That's the thing with trading. You need to know when to buy and when to sell. You need to know when the price is going up and when the price is coming down. And how can you know? By studying the history of changes in the market. And these are affected politically or economically. So you need to be aware of this to make informed decisions.
Hey, let me go and finish them in that trading platform. Now. Let me go and show them that Probaba has taught me how to navigate with Octa.
Alright, Daddy, well, with this information you have gotten, you are ready to open a demo account. And I would send you some materials across to rehearse with your friends and be good at trading.
Let me go and start with this one. Then I will let you know when I'm ready for the next lesson. Because I have very important matters to discuss right now. Thank you. All right, Probaba. Thank you.
What a catastrophe!
Hello, Freaky. Money don't come. Money has land that we used to take care of you.
Which freaky? Do you know who is talking to you? It's Mommy Wa. Help me!
Mommy, Wa?
Daddy Wa?
Yes, Mommy, Wa. We are going to Jerusalem next week.
What a catastrophe!